Guys, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know you guys have been asking for this video, so if you read the title, you already know what I'm about to talk about. Oh yeah, I broke 2 nails. Don't judge me, okay? I've been saying I'm gonna go to the nail shop, still haven't been, but I'm gonna make it there one day this week. I'm gonna get my nails fixed. Walking around looking ratchet. Whew. Where was I at? Yeah, so if you already read the title, you already know what this video is about. If you are watching this video, then obviously you want to learn how to beat your own face. You want to slay, honey, okay? And I'm about to tell you some tips and what I did to learn how to do my own face. So, you want to learn how to beat your face like this every day? Just keep on watching, okay? So let's get into the video. Get into the video. First things first, okay? The first thing is dedication. You guys have to be dedicated to this, okay? It has to be something that you really, really want. You have to treat this as if like it's a job that you're applying for, and you know how you stand in the mirror and you rehearse your interview in the mirror. Well, I do that. I don't know about y'all, but yes, you have to treat it as if it's something that you really, really want. Like, you can't just say you want to do something and then not work towards it, if that makes sense. So, yeah, first things first, you got to be dedicated, okay? So, you have to incorporate doing your makeup, like a full face of makeup, every single day. What? Basically, I would advise you guys to incorporate this into your daily routine, okay? So when you first wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, wipe your face, do your hair, and do your makeup. Set aside, wake up 30 minutes earlier to do your makeup. And doing this every day will help you just get into the routine of practicing something every single day. And when you notice, when you practice something every single day, you get better and better with time. So that's basically whatever motivates you to get up and do that. Then I advise you to just think of that when you roll out of bed in the morning. And so let me just tell y'all what helped me. So if you guys don't know, I've been a cheerleader my whole life, okay? Whole life. Straight out of high school, I went to JUCO, and that's when I started doing my makeup every single day. So it was very hard. It was very hard, and because it was like you had to uphold this certain look of like a collegiate cheerleader, and it was like the campus was small. It was just a community college, so everybody knew who I was, and everybody knew I was a cheerleader. So it was like the rest of the squad, they was pretty, they was doing their makeup and dressing up every day, and I was like, I gotta keep up, okay? And that's what happened when I moved to Houston as well. When I went to TSU as a cheerleader, that was very different. That was another step up. I was like, this is, baby, like, these girls are beautiful. I have to step up my game, you know what I'm saying? Like, can't be slacking. So yeah, that's what happened. So basically, cheerleading helped me to incorporate, you know, makeup and dressing up in my daily routine. So just stick to that. Find something that motivates you. Like I was saying, it could be just you want to walk out the house every day looking like a baddie, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know, you might just want to stunt on your ex. I mean, you know, we gotta do that from time to time. You feel me? Like, cause yeah. I feel you, girl. I feel you. Also, another thing that might help is to find a class that you want to take. You know, me myself, I took a class. I actually never told anybody about that, but since I love you guys so much, I'm gonna share this information with you. Okay, so I took a class around 2015. I had just moved to Houston, and I think I had asked my sister or something. Maybe it was like a birthday gift. I asked her once I found out about the class. Then, you know, I asked her to pay for it for me for like a birthday gift or something. I don't know. But it was at Mac. I think it was like $100 for two sections. It was like you could pick two things to focus on. So I think I focused on like eyeshadow and highlighting. I am busy. Rudeness. Can you wait? No, that was a no. Like I was saying, my child interrupted. But yeah, I took this makeup class at Mac. Like I said, it was $100 for like focusing on two things: eyeshadow and highlighting. And I'm not saying you have to go to a place like that. Like, you can go to like a local makeup artist that you like that offers one-on-one classes. So just figure out which one is the cheapest or which one you prefer, or which one you need like more work on. I'm sure like the local makeup artists will offer more in their one-on-one classes than going to somewhere like Mac or somewhere. Like I said, they only let you focus on two things. So if you need like the whole rundown, then yeah, you might want to go to like one of your favorite local makeup artists. But I'm not saying that it wasn't a good class, but I knew a lot before I even went. I knew how to do like my eyebrows and eyeliner, the basic stuff, foundation and stuff like that. So I just wanted, you know, to learn a little bit more to get more comfortable with doing my eyeshadow. So that's why I decided to take that class at Mac, and it got me more comfortable with trying to do my own eyeshadow. So yeah, that's another option. Well, really, yeah, it's another option. Or I also spent a lot of time, even now I spend a lot of time watching YouTube. Okay, YouTube is the best thing ever right now. It's like, and it's free. It's free, guys. So if you're a visual learner, then definitely find a YouTuber that you like, that's one that's your complexion, or one that you see who has a routine that you think is easier for you to learn. Then definitely, you know, try to follow those steps or shadow that person. That's also a great way it's also a great way to learn. Gosh, I'm terrible. I'm out of breath, really. Hey, come say hey to the camera. Come on, baby, say hey. She's a little camera shy. She don't like being on camera, so well, bye, since you're acting funny. Okay, so yeah, so like I was saying, take a class, watch YouTube. If you bored, don't have anything to do, don't have anything to watch, just Google. I said Google. Search on YouTube, you know, what you want to learn: how to do perfect eyebrows, how to get the perfect contour for light skin or dark skin, or just take advantage of YouTube. It really does help. But like I said, if you need more hands-on help, then take a class. It really does help. It helped me, and also watching YouTube helped me a lot. So like I said, you got to be dedicated. You got to treat it as something that you really, really want. You have to put forth effort in it. You can't just expect this to happen overnight. You cannot expect that. I think I started doing my makeup in 2012. It's 2019. So wow. Is that 8? What did I say? 8? That's 7. 7 years, guys. 7. But I mean, I just recently started taking it serious. Like, so you can get this down in like a year, maybe even sooner. You just have to put forth the effort, just like in anything else that you do. And don't give up. It takes a lot of patience and a lot of patience. But you guys can do it. I have faith in you guys. You can do anything you put your mind to, okay? Don't let anything discourage you. Oh yeah. If you are a beginner, please don't feel like you have to buy all these expensive products, these expensive brush sets and expensive foundation and eyeshadows, pigments, lipsticks. Do not spend a lot of money on that type of stuff. First of all, I started off using elf brushes from Target. Literally, my brushes were $1. Brushes, let me see if I can find it. My brushes were $1. Shoot. I think this one, this is an elf brush. It's an eyeshadow brush. I still use that. I don't know what those other ones are, but I definitely use brushes from Target that are $2-3, and they work just fine. So don't spend a whole bunch of money on these brush sets. Like, find you a foundation brush that works for multiple things. Like, this one, it was expensive. I mean, this one was a matte brush, but I also used it for like foundation and contour. So if you spend money on one brush that can do multiple things, then that's understandable. But don't just go buy an eyeshadow brush for $20. It doesn't make sense. So, and you're just practicing, and they work just fine. So also, you don't have to go buy the most expensive foundation. I literally, this is the foundation I'm wearing right now. Don't look at my nail. Do not. This is the foundation that I'm using right now. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, and it has to be my favorite drugstore. It was like $6. $6. I just found out they sell it in Family Dollar. Family Dollar, $6. Or you can go to CVS or Walgreens. So please, guys, just don't spend a lot of money on these products, because once you get the technique down, then you can start, investing in all of the bigger brand products and full coverage stuff like that. So yeah, I think I touched on everything basically, for the most part. I feel like this video is all over the place, so please excuse me if it doesn't make sense, like stuff is just jumping around everywhere. But yeah, you guys have been asking me, how did I learn how to do my makeup? What did I do? How do I do it? How did I get the patience for it? I decided to make this video to explain to you guys that this is what it takes. It takes a lot of time, a lot of time, a lot of playtime, a lot of YouTube time, a lot of practice. It's not gonna come overnight. You're not gonna have it in 1 week, 2 weeks. I mean, but you will get it. Okay, so just don't get discouraged. Just keep going, and yeah. I touched it all. I actually got through the whole video. That's amazing. I really feel like I was talking so fast. Wow. Y'all know I'm not used to talking in my videos, so I actually hate hearing myself talk. Like it's so annoying to me. Like, and when I watch this video, it's gonna be so cringy watching myself talk. But you know, I did it for y'all. Like, I love y'all, so this is why I did it. Yeah, if you're not subscribed to this channel, y'all, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and like this video. Leave a comment on what you guys would like to see. I plan on uploading more. I know I say that a lot, but I do plan on uploading a lot more. So tell me what kind of videos you guys want to see. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. That'll be in the description box. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.